I was watching today.
Hey, I'm Steve Maynard, Chief Deputy, Chatham County Sheriff's Office. We're out here at Seaforth at Jordan Lake today, taking the plunge for Special Olympics in North Carolina with our polar plunge. Watch this crew go by me going in this cold water. I promise you the air is warmer than the water.
Yeah!
How was it? Tell me how it was.
Cold. Very cold. Very cold.
It's warmer out here than it is.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. It is a lot warmer
Even
out
after
here.
being in the water, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Thank you for being out here today.
Thank you. Come on.
Hey, come here. Tell me how it was.
Cold. Very
cold?
cold.
How cold?
Very cold. I'm
Would
freezing.
you do it again?
Yes, I would do it again.
There you go. Come here, man. Talk to me a minute. How was it?
It's freezing.
Yeah? Would you do it again?
Yeah, next year.
You do it again? I would too. How was it? It was good? It was cold? It was cold?
Yeah.
Good. Good job. You get Chris right here. Come over here, Chris. Tell me how it was.
Good job, Reno.
Sure. All right. You go first. Not today.
Lead by example.
Yeah, I did it earlier.
Did I know it?
Everybody's watching Uno. Yeah. All right, I think that's it.
Dog having a good time.